Hey guys, it's Jeff at AutoSauce. Today we're going to clean a rubber floor mat just using some simple tools that we have and our all-purpose sauce. So stay tuned and watch how we do it. So that's it. We used our all-purpose sauce. I used a drill brush, which I got on Amazon for pretty cheap. You can get them there. They're like under 10 bucks. I also used our upholstery scrub brush, which you can get on our website. We just sprayed the mat and just brushed the snot out of it to get all that dirt out of this, and then hosed it off and wiped it down with our microfiber. That is all you want to do with this. You don't want to put any dressing or anything on this because your feet will slip, and if you're driving and your feet slip, that's not good. You could do it on the other 3 mats or whatever, but I just recommend that you don't do anything. It's all nice and clean. It's still soft rubber. It's not hard or anything like that. Because our all-purpose sauce is a citrus base, it's not gonna make it really hard. So that's it for that. I guess I got some more mats to do, so join us on the next video.